Hi, my name is Alyka and I'm from Class B Biology, and I'm here to presenting my answer, the exercise that Miss Aya gave to me. And the task is, I will find my idea and I will explain how I can get the main idea. And text 1. Costs were low that year, and the output high. There was a good percent for each job, and the market remained firm. There was no loser from fire, and all in all, it was the best year in the history of company. So, this is the state main idea. The reason is because the topic of this text was written directly by the author. The red sentence indicates the topic that the author want to tell in this text. So, from the topic, we can conclude that the main idea is the best year in the history of the company. Text 2. Penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drug. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it has no effect at all on the most of the ill of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. And the main idea is, the type main idea is state main idea. It's same from the text 1. Why? The reason is because the topic of this text was written directly by the author. And here, penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. So, from the topic, we can conclude this is the main idea. This is state main idea. And text 3. When I was a little girl, I took piano lesson every Monday after school. I walked to Mrs. Seaver's house with my tethered sheet music in my school lunch stand hand. She taught me the scale, the proper ways to hold my small finger, and the theme song from Pink Panther. She also taught me much more. From her, I learned the necessity of practice, the importance of patience, and the joy of achieving a goal after hard work. She also gave me the gift of music. All of the was I learned in half-hour lesson on Monday afternoon in Hamel, Illinois. This is type of the main idea. Unstate main idea. Why? The reason is because the writer has not chosen not to and determine the selection page and determine the main idea and from the information that presented then, and we need to create main idea. And here I took piano lesson, and then I walked to Mrs. Seaver's house with my tethered sheet music. Tethered sheet music is the same word here. And she taught me scale the proper way to hold my small finger and the theme song from Pink Panther. And all of the red sentence is related. And the main idea is here, the experience of the writer about a piano class from Mrs. Seaver. Text 4. Both plant and animal cells are very complex, yet they are very similar when compared to each other. The Venn diagram compares and contrasts plant and animal cell. It consists of cross-sectional cell diagram. Both are explanation of the same concept but use different approach to visual explain the information. It is interesting that there is so much diversity among living things. Yet, if you look at their cells, they are similar. The only real difference between a human cell, a horse cell, and the chicken cell is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell nuclei. And the main idea and the type main idea is state. Why? Because the author written the main idea in the text. Here, both plant and animal cells are very complex. The writer written directly, and the sentence can be found from the text. So, and that's all. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I made mistake. Thank you.